Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another in-depth daily technical analysis video. Guys, go vote on this poll. We need to push this thing to the top. Saitama is catching up, and we need to win. Because if we do win, Bart Baker will promote DOGELON MARS to all of his followers, pushing the price up, making us money, and we'll be happy campers. Yeah, but what we care about is the price action on this channel. News comes secondary, and I'll explain why. Let's just go back. Let's just go back here, all right? Big players got in. News came out, pushed the price up. Retail traders got in here. Now they're left holding bags. They're left holding bags waiting for the next spike. Now, excuse the car. I'm outside sunbathing, making money with crypto. Okay, what we want to do is get in down here. We want to get in where the big players are, all right? And this is a perfect opportunity to do that. We have not seen this next spike yet. We are exactly right here where the big players are loading their bags right now. The retail traders have not started pumping in because the media is not buzzing around DOGELON Mars yet, but it will be. And this is what we got to look out for in the price action. Right now, we are still extremely early to this project. Most of the crypto community thinks this project is a scam or a meme, and they are simply wrong. Because this is the number 3 meme currency in the world. So what we need to watch out for in the price action is we want to see this candle come down, touch the 1650 level, and then push back up with volume, breaking this 18 level, and that will be a sign of extremely bullish pressure, all right? That's what we want to see, and that is confirmation in order to load up your bags. Now, let's say it comes down, touches the 1650 level, and you want to be a little more risky and get a better price. Averaging in at that level won't be a bad decision. This is not financial advice, simply an opinion from a crypto billionaire. Now, let's say it breaks this trend line at the 1650 to 1680 level with selling pressure. What we want to do is wait. We want to see if it starts bouncing off this 15 level here, this 1480 level with volume in a big green candle. That's what we want to wait for. And because it could break this floor here and move down to these 12s. Now, if that happens, that's an extreme buying opportunity. The whales will be triggered. This price will go absolutely insane, especially with the buzz around this coin at the moment. The news is just too strong, all right? I don't see it breaking this 1480 level just simply because the news is so strong right now. Now, let's say the meme market starts dropping and the news starts tanking. Like the news, it just comes out real bad on this coin. Then it could easily push through this 1480 level. But I don't see that happening in the foreseeable future. I don't see that happening at all in the foreseeable future because this coin is a good coin. All right, so again, let me recap. What we need to watch for is a push down to this trend line, a breakout above this 1480 or this 18 level, sorry. 1480 is down here. That's what we don't want to reach. But if we do reach it, it will be a good buying opportunity. It will just be testing that floor again. Let me make this real simple for you guys. I feel like I'm going a little too fast for some of you guys. So I'll slow it down, make this super basic and super simple. Speaking of, if you don't want to watch the charts all day long, and let's say you got to go to work, you just cannot be on your phone, you don't want to be stressing about crypto, check out the Patreon. It's perfect for those people who don't really know technical analysis yet and want to learn and make money at the same time, because I will give you one-on-one coaching. If you have any questions, I'll answer them personally. And I will give you buy and sell alerts on the best times to get in, best times to get out. So let's get straight into this basic analysis. Let's go down to the 4 hourly charts and look. Now, if you guys look in the last video, this is exactly what we want to see, all right? We want to see this natural movement, upside, downside, testing the support, upside. Now, we very well could, and we probably will test this 19 level again, and then have a little bit of retracement before we push back out. And that is completely natural. That is completely healthy. That is completely fine. Let me draw some levels for you guys and show you guys where the best times to get in would be. This is simply my opinions. These are the best times to get in. If we see a big green candle overbearing this, that is extremely bullish pressure. That is a signal that we will continue moving to the upside. Now, we are making higher lows above this trend line, which is extremely bullish. If this next 4-hourly candle closes above this 1761 level, that would not be a bad time to average in with the 1/4 rule. If you have $1,000, we use the 1/4 rule here on this channel. That means if you have $1,000, average in $250 on each confirmation. And if this closes above this 1750 level, that would be confirmation to average in. Now, the next confirmation would be once it breaks out of this 18 level, we want to watch what it does around these 19s, all right? Because if it shows selling pressure, then it very well could come back down and test this trend line before moving back to the upside, which is perfect. That's fine. But if it breaks through this with volume, volume meaning this candle down here, this volume candle is much more than all these previous resistances and supports. That is what a confirmation candle is. What we would want to watch for is a confirmation candle breaking out of this 19 to 18 level. Just breaking through it, all right? And then closing above this. That would be an extremely bullish sign that we are moving to the upside. But the thing is, you want to average in below this point for your first average. So right here would be a perfect time to average in. Now, if it breaks out of here and you have averaged in here, that would be a good time to average in again. Because this thing is getting ready for liftoff, and we are coming to the point to where an extreme move is about to happen. That's why these averagings are really close together. Now, normally, if you guys have been following the channel for a long time, you would have to wait days, right? Days, possibly even weeks for the next confirmation to average in. For example, first time I posted was when this first candle pulled back 50%. Let me zoom in and show you guys, right? It pulled back 50% of this green candle, and I told you guys it's a great time to consider averaging more. So those of you that did are in a profit right now. You guys got in around the 1280 level. Came back down. I said this is another good time to start averaging in. That was days later, all right? And then as it retraced, came down, found support, I told you guys right here is another good time to average in. And now I am saying right here is a good time to average in. And if it breaks out of this point, it is another good time to average in, because we are heading to Mars with this thing. There's no doubt in my mind we are heading to Mars. It's just a matter of time and a matter of notoriety. Big influencers are hopping on this train. We are around the world with billboards and posters. We are in Miami, London, Tokyo, all around the world. People have this marketing on their cars. It's absolutely insane, and I love it. 20 levels are extremely, that's a big psychological barrier that we need to watch, all right? If we break through these 20 levels, this is our next extreme point of resistance. Personally, I don't think these will be too hard to break, but this one will be much harder to break than these were. So these are our big, this is where we really want to watch out for the price action, and I will keep you guys updated every day along the way. So hit that subscribe button if you really want to stay updated on this recent price action, because this is what really matters. The news comes, but it does not affect the markets. The price action affects the markets. The price action is everything. Where the money goes, we flow. So what we want to watch for is a breakout to this 20 level, and I will go over all of that in the future. I don't want to get too in-depth right now. I could go over exactly everything that could happen and what we need to watch for, but this video would be way too long and complicated for most of you guys. If you guys want to take your trading to the next level, go check out, I'm actually doing a pre-sale on my course that I'm making. It's like a course class type thing for basic trading techniques of technical analysis. It teaches you everything you need to know in order to read the charts by yourself. It will be the best class you have ever taken, the most simple class. In order to just read the charts wherever you are, you could be across the world. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection and a computer or a phone. So if you guys are interested, email me and we'll talk about it. We'll see if you're a good fit. Yeah, guys, hit that subscribe button. We're going to Mars. We are going to Mars with this coin. There's no doubt in my mind. It's just a matter of time at this point. Shiba Inu did this so many times. I rode that wave, made hefty gains, over 1,200% gains on Shiba Inu, and I've seen this over and over and over, and we are following this bull flag absolutely perfectly. This is just a textbook pattern right here. It's textbook. Like, I literally have $500 flashcards that explain this pattern that is going on right now. So, guys, we're in for a ride. Strap up. Grab your space ice cream. I'm personally going with cookies and cream. You know, we got some strawberry in the fridge if you really are feeling frisky. But, guys, we are heading to Mars. No doubt in my mind. It's just a matter of time. Let me draw you guys a quick... look, this is what's happening, all right? This is Mars right here. This is us on the rocket ship with our space ice cream. You're eating strawberry. I'm eating cookies and cream. That's where we're headed. It's just a matter of time before we absolutely go parabolic and then get there. Now, I could go over what we need to look for in order to start averaging out in this next bull run. Because, guys, this is a long-term play. I will be holding till a 10x, but I will also be averaging and scaling out of my positions in order to maximize the amount of profits that I am making. For example, let's say you got in all the way back here. Now, I'm going to go over when the best time is to average out of your positions in order to make the most amount of profits right now. So stay tuned. If you guys averaged in here, you saw a big, huge spike, right? But then we also saw a big, huge dip. Now, what we want to do and what we are going to do on this channel is once it spikes, this is when we want to take out some of our profits and wait for this dip in order to reinvest it. Now, once we reinvest at a low, then we will continue to move to the upside, and we'll just rinse and repeat every time. And instead of getting a 10x doing this method, you'll get 17 to 20x because you are reinvesting at lows, averaging back in. So, yeah, guys, that's a secret that is not many people use. That is extremely helpful, especially if you want to make big gains in a short amount of time with cryptocurrency. So, ladies and gentlemen, hit that subscribe button. What are you doing? Daily price action on DOGELON Mars. If you guys are serious about investing, then this is the best thing for you. So, guys, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. It's a beautiful day outside. Go grab some coffee. Go hiking. Go hit the gym, guys. Personal fitness is extremely important. You need your mental health good in order to trade good. You need to be disciplined and be pushing yourself in normal life in order to make money in these markets. And that is not speculation. That is a fact. You guys need to be emotionally disciplined and be emotionless whenever these price swings occur. So, guys, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.